here our focus is writing that equation. So just to make myself some notes at the top, I'm going to put m equals slope, b equals your y-intercept, and the equation of the line is y equals mx plus b. Okay, whenever you do this, you're going on every single sheet, you need to write these things at the top. M is slope, b is y-intercept, and the equation of the line is y equals mx plus b. So here we know our slope and we know our y-intercept, so we can write our equation. I don't need to put anything in for y. My slope is 5 over 2. I don't need anything for x, and my b, which is y-intercept, is 0. So I can put a 0 there. So y equals 5 halves x plus 0. This x and y just stands for some coordinate pair. So what you could use this for is saying, okay, well, if x is 1, can I find that point on the graph? So if x is 1, I'm going to put a 1 in for x. 5 halves times 1 is 5 halves, plus 0 is 5 halves. So the y value is going to be 5 halves. And that point that we found is going to be on this line. Okay? So to write the equation, all you need is the slope and the y-intercept, and you're just going to plug them in to those correct points. These tables down at the bottom is the same thing as that T-chart you've been looking at. It just looks different because it's turned. The y-intercept is where x is 0. So your y-intercept here, x is 0, y is 0. Okay? And then your slope, we can pick 2 points. So I'm just going to use 1, 2, and 2, 4. I'll write them out over here. And 2, 4. We need to label them. x1, y1, x2, y2. And then slope formula, our y2 value is 4. Y1 is 2. And then we have 2 minus 1. I'll write that over here for you. Four minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So your slope is 2. It also says write the equation. So now that I've done those two things, I can say, okay, y equals our slope, which is 2, times x plus our y-intercept, which is 0. Okay, so if you need to watch that again, go ahead and pause the video and run back, and you can watch it again. On the next page, it's kind of the same thing. Write the equation of the line given the slope of the y-intercept. Write the equation of the line from the table down here at the bottom, which we just did. When it says write a linear equation for each table relating x and y, that's exactly the same thing as what you're doing up above. It's exactly what we've done on the other page. Okay? If it asks if it is a linear relationship, okay, if it's asking for a linear relationship, so this is at the bottom, A, B, and C, what you're looking for is that every time you move, you're going up by the same value. So from 2 to 4, I'm going up 2. From 4 to 6, I'm going up 2. 6 to 8, 2. 8 to 10, 2. 10 to 12, 2. 12 to 14. You're going up by 2 each time. And you're looking for the same kind of thing at the bottom. Are you going up by the same number? It doesn't have to be the same as the top. It doesn't have to be a 2, but each of these should be the same. So from 0 to 1, you're going up by 1. 1 to 2, you're going up by 1. 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. So since these are all 2's at the top and all 1's at the bottom, it is a linear relationship. It is a linear relationship. If it does not go up by the same number, so if this was 2, 4, and then 2, and then 4, and then 2, and then 4, it would not be a linear relationship. Let's see, on the next page is a word problem. So this is just saying, okay, write an equation for each billing plan. So you're looking for your slope. So what's changing each minute, okay? So in this case, it's going to be the 50 cents a minute will be your slope. and then you have to find your y-intercept. So where are you starting? So those are things that you're looking for there. Down here, find the slope, the y-intercept, write the equation, okay? This one,